What's going on, guys? I'm Watch Chair Go, and today is jam-packed. I know yesterday was jam-packed with automobilia, but today's just as crazy. So right now, I'm headed to meet up with Brian. We're gonna grab some cars and go hang out with Alex Tillman and Ian Capel, some of my favorite photographers. Tillman's in from Detroit, and they're doing some photo shoots with some H1s that are built here in town, some absolutely wild H1s that are Duramax swapped, and they get built into luxury cars instead of the normal H1 that's falling apart. So I'll see you guys there. All right, so Jake and I are out in the 911 Turbo, and the Huracan's behind me with Brian. We're gonna go get into some trouble. We're here in an abandoned warehouse. Okay, it's Mil Spec Automotive's warehouse. Check it out. There's the Huracan, the H1, and the 911 Turbo. All right, I'll give you guys a quick walkthrough of this thing. It is insane. Brian already found a golf cart and is just whipping it around. I love it. All right, so check out these LED headlights. JWS. Ooh, look at this work. This is just so clean. The intercooler is beautiful. Look at the detail. Look at the detail. Straps, big old bump stops. It's bagged. Wow. Hydraulic brakes. Amp research step controller in there. I bet that speaks of things to come. There's the amp research steps. Here's the Duramax swap. Ooh-wee. Look at that. What an interior. What an interior. This thing is incredible. GPS speedometer, Mil Spec gauges. This is JL's marine audio controller. Beautiful ride tech. For the bags, look at all this JL. Number 2. This has not launched yet. I know you guys aren't gonna see this for a while. Check out the power window controls. Super cool. So you guys are gonna see this about a week late. Here's all your tunes for the diesel, just because I can't show you this until the product photography shots come out. So clean. I've never seen an H1 look so good. Wow. Look at that, look at that. That's a solid garage for anybody right there. 911 Turbo S, Mil Spec H1, and the twin turbo Huracan. This is crazy too. What on earth? That's a cool truck. Let me give you some more detail shots in here. The rear bags. Here's the exhaust. I know it's kind of tough with this wide angle, but so cool. The drivetrain is so clean. Wow. Look at the, of course, the H1's brakes are mounted all the way up here beside the diff. That way you don't end up with rocks and no clearance issues and everything. Don't have mud clogging up your brake calipers. LED taillights. Alex is gonna hop up in the rear. That is super nice.
Folds down.
What about the hood for the engine? Is that easy to open, or?
No, not really.
I didn't think it was. So I don't want to open the hood up just because it's a process, but there's a Duramax under there. You can see it's got a bunch of tunes on it. Super awesome. That's it. That's your tour of the Mil Spec Automotive H1. Completely redone. This is the ultimate luxury vehicle for off-roading. So nice. Just walk around it a little bit more, honestly. Woo-wee. What do you think, Brian?
That's interesting.
Isn't it awesome? It's bagged. You can't even tell these are in there. Amazing. Amazing. That's where we put diesel in. That is the coolest gas cap I've ever seen. The attention to detail. I won't do it. thought I could light up the 4 lights. Listen to this screen. It has dual transmission coolers hiding out back to get all the heat away from the engine in the transmission package. I guess it's a little too tight to cool the transmission up there, and there's so much heat soak from the engine that they just relocated everything to the rear. Backup camera, rear camera, it's infrared illuminated and everything. Super nice. This is air for the air compressor, I think. This is the air tank. Say goodbye to this beautiful truck that you will see on the streets soon. This one's already sold, shipping out soon. We're gonna go play. Jake's trying to get these fire shots of the Huracan. To drive like this and vlog. Checking for cops, and we're good. So this is a GT350R in front of us here. Let's see if we can catch him. That looks like fun. Adopted the GT350. Woo, girl. Ian took us on an awesome behind-the-scenes tour of the entire manufacturing floor at Mil Spec Automotive. So cool, they build wiring harnesses in-house, they do their upholstery in-house, they do almost everything in-house here in Wichita. What a crazy place. Stripping down H1s to bare metal, finishing every inch, torquing every bolt, marking every bolt. Those guys are doing some epic work. You're gonna want to keep an eye on them in the future. That is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you guys next time. Jake, you're much slower than me, dude. Just kidding.